Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So now what we'll do is, see whatever durations you have taken, no, the same duration you have to copy now. Ground floor I've explained you. Now first floor, second floor, third floor, terrace, fourth floor, all these are typical floor. That means when I say typical floor, if I show you the structural drawings for that, see, this is my first floor plan. Okay, this is my first floor plan. So my first floor, my ground, my first floor, second floor, everything is a typical. This is my second floor layout. Okay, I'm showing you the layout and all. With that, you get an idea. Okay, I'll show you the second floor layout. This is my second floor layout. Look at the sizes of the slabs and area and all. And now I'll show you the third floor layout. They're almost similar, right? This is third floor layout. You can see here, it's a third floor layout. It's written here. You see the size of that, okay? Size of the, this thing, what is that? Beams, and look at the panel sizes of the slab. Similarly, you look into the second floor area. Second floor is also very similar to that. So keeping these things in mind, since the area is same, your first floor, second floor, third area is same, everything is same, the quantity also will be same, almost same. I'll show you all that in the BOQ. What we will do is we require same, whatever number of days you took in the ground floor, same number of duration will require it in the first floor, second, because the quantum of the work is same. Keeping that in mind, we'll take the same duration. That is the logic behind it. Usually in a high-rise building, that is what we follow. First floor, second floor, third floor, everything is a typical. So whatever you have done no, from ground floor, you copy the same thing. Starter concrete, I took 5 days. Up to de-shuttering, it was like this. Copy, say Control C, and now come and play, paste it here. Okay, simple. Now we'll apply this thing. What is that relationship? Yeah, starter concrete, we took, we told that we'll take 5 days. That is fine. When you are going to start your starter concrete, again, same thing. My concreting of the slab and beam will happen on 10th May. I'll wait for 2 to 3 days. I'll wait for 3 days. Previously, what I had done, previously I had waited for 2 days. Here, I'll wait for 2 to 3 days because once on 10th May, your concreting of the slab will happen. Next day, you'll do the curing again. Curing, let us say 2 days, you'll do the curing. And after that, what we can do is we can start with the starter concrete. Immediately next day also, you can put the starter concrete, but we'll not do that. We'll do the curing for 1 or 2 days. And after that, we'll start with the starter frame. Okay. Starter concrete, we can start immediately on 11th May also you can start. No one will stop you because again it's an independent activity. Your curing has nothing to do with your starter concrete, so you can do that. But still, I'll give it 2 days of what you call the lead. Okay, so this is 36. Your concreting of the slab will happen on 33. So come here, click on 33 FS, and plus 2 days I'll give. Got it? So 14th May I'll start. Yeah, that's it. 10th May will finish it. One Sunday is coming. Okay. 14th May means, yeah, this one. Monday is 13. Okay. And 12 is Sunday. So that is why 14th May will start. That is fine. Not an issue for me. Okay. Yeah. Now come to the next one. That is reinforcement. Reinforcement, here we are given 15 days. Here we are given 15 days. So same 15 days I'll give. Now, if you don't believe in me, I'll show you the BOQ quantity also. Okay. We'll go to the BOQ quantity. Right now, we mean which floor? Now, second floor. I have to look into second floor. So in the second floor, I'll go to the column reinforcement quantity. Yeah, TMT bar. So column up to second floor. What is the quantity? 26.94. So let me convert that. 26.94 into 100 is 2694 kg. Okay, that is in second floor. Previously, what was the quantity I had? Let me verify that. Previously, TMT, see here, you had 2694, isn't it? This was in my ground floor. See here, this is ground floor. Come to the second floor now. Same quantity. That is why, since the quantity is same, what will happen? Keeping that in mind, I've taken the same duration. And now only the thing is, same thing you copy. Whatever lag you had given, 25 FS minus 4 you had given. That means from the end of the starter concrete, 4 days before that, you start your reinforcement. Same connections, again, we'll follow the same, this thing. What is that? Lead and lag, whatever you are given, no? Same duration will follow because it's a typical floor, no? So again, we'll write 37 FS minus 4 you had given. So I'll give 4 days. Simple. 14th May, your starter concrete will start. 15th May, we'll start with the reinforcement. Same thing we did here. 25th March, we started our starter concrete. 26th March, we started out the reinforcement. Again, for a very same reason, your reinforcement has nothing to do with your starter concrete. It's an independent activity. Reinforcement is not depending on the starter concrete. Reinforcement is depending on the concreting of the slab. Only after the concreting of the slab, you can start the reinforcement work. So that is why I'm going with that logic. Now come to the form work. Again, form work. Sir, what is the quantity for the form work? We'll check the quantity also, not an issue. Right now, I'm in second floor. So second floor, which quantity I want? Column concrete. Column shuttering quantity I want. So it's here. Providing and removing centering, shuttering. This is for the column. Okay, for the column. What is the area you have? 287 square meter. This is in second floor. Okay, 287. Come to the ground floor. What we had previously? Previously, you see, there also we had 287. Now you believe in me, whatever quantity we had in ground floor, same quantity we are getting in first floor also. I mean, first floor is in second floor we are getting, since it's a typical floor. Again, no need of doing all the calculation. So that is why I'm taking all same durations. Okay, 15 days we took here. Here also we took 15 days. Simple logic, no? If somebody asks you, you have to tell it's a typical quantity. So that is why flow row is what we'll do. We'll take the same duration, same lead, same lag, everything will do the same thing. Okay, good. Now come to the form work. So what is the form work? We give minus 13 days. Okay, that means 38 FS minus 13 days is a lag. I mean, 13 days is a lead for us. 15th and 17th May. Yeah, 26th we started, and next form work we started after 2 days. 15 May we are doing after 2 days. 17 May. 17 May. That's right. Now come to the concreting for the column. Again, if you want to verify, we'll verify one more thing. Concrete for the column. So where is my RCC quantity? RCC quantity is here, right? This is my RCC quantity, providing and laying M25. How much is the quantity I have? I have 26.94. Let us say 27 cubic meter in the second floor. Ground floor, what I had? Ground floor also, let me check. Ground floor also I had same quantity. See, 26.94. RCC column up to ground floor top. This is second floor up to first floor top, 26.94. Same quantity, no? The same durations I have taken. Okay, here I had taken 15. Here also I'm taking 15. Now again, what is the this thing? Connection. Connection is that here I had taken 27 FS minus 15. Here I'll take 39 FS minus 15. Okay, simple. That means again same concept, because you'll be having 4 or 5 shuttering boxes. 17th May you'll start your shuttering. 3rd June you will finish. 17th May you will start your concreting. 3rd June you're going to finish. Same concept. Finish. Now come to the form work for the slab. Again, this is a 15-day activity. Okay. Putting your beam bottom, then beam bottom, props, slab centering, and all is a 15 days activity. Now again coming to the area again remains the same. So again I'll not show you the same thing. You already understood the concept now. Anyhow, I'll be giving you this BOQ for us for your reference. You can check it. Okay. See, there may be slight variation. So far we didn't have any variation, but maybe compared to your first floor in the second floor, little bit of shuttering quantity or maybe your centering quantity may increase, because the reason is very simple. You have to understand the concept again. See, this was my first floor. I don't have a first floor typical layout. Not an issue. Okay. See, this is a layout of my third floor. Let me show you the first floor layout also. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So you can see this layout now. See this particular layout. This is my ground floor layout. Okay. This is my ground floor layout. Look, everywhere there is a beam, column, and all. 1 minute. Yeah. So this is my ground floor roof layout. Look at the beams and the slab layout. Everywhere it is something like this. Okay. Same thing I'll show you for the first floor. Almost same, no? Is there any changes in between them? No. Slight changes may happen. Maybe here one beam may come. Here that beam may not be there. But 95% of the case, everything is same. So this is my first floor. Similarly, I'll show you the second floor. Second floor also is very similar, right? Then I'll show you the third floor. This again third floor. In third floor, little bit of beam is less, but the depth of the beam is on a higher side. Other than that, everywhere there is a beam, there is a column. Whatever you have it here, same to same we have. So everything is a typical floor. So okay, understood the concept. So that is why we'll keep the same duration 15 days. Now come to this thing, start date. What we had done previously for the start date, form work, what we had done. Form work, we had taken 28 FS. 28 means this one. After the concreting of the column, 8 days prior to that, you start your form work. So I'll say same thing. So this is 40. So you write 40 FS minus how much it was? 8 days minus 8 you do. Finish. Got it? Simple. 25th May, you are going to start. Now see, a red color is coming here. This is because by default, this is not your manual auto schedule. It has become manually scheduled. You change it to auto schedule. The green line will go away from here. Understood the concept? Now come to the reinforcement. Reinforcement is also 15 days. What we had given, 30 FS minus 6 we had given. That means from the form work end date, 6 days prior to that, you start your reinforcement work. So what I'll do is I'll say 42 FS. This is 42 activity FS minus 6 days I'll give. Simple concept. Now again, concealed wiring. The concealed wiring, what I told 1 day before or 2 days before I had given, no? 2 days before I had given. Okay, so I'll say 43 FS minus 2 I'll give. 21st June I'll start. Yeah, correct. Here it was 9th May, 10th May we started. What happened? Wait. Here, yeah, correct. Wait. 8th May, 7th May we are starting, correct. So this is a 22 June, 21st June we are starting. 1 day prior only we are starting. Correct. Next activity is concreting of the slab. So concreting is a finish to start Q44 here directly. That means 24th June your electrical work will finish. 25th you are going to do your concreting work. And last is de-shuttering. De-shuttering is after the concreting, that is 45 FS, will wait for 14 days. That's it. So 12th July you will start your de-shuttering. 17th July you will finish your de-shuttering work. Understood the concept? Good. Now I told you on the first floor also. Same thing you have to do in second floor, same thing you have to do in third floor, same thing you have to do in fourth floor. Understood the concept? Okay. If I give you the BOQ also, everything, the quantity remains the same. No need of cross verifying and all. It's not required. Everything is there here. Same quantity we have. Okay. That's it. If you want for beam, I'll show. Let me do for the beam here. I'm in second floor. Second floor beam we have this much quantity. Okay. Almost I think 6,000 kg. Yeah, 6,200 kg of steel is required in the beam. And for the slab, let me check. For the slab, 9,500. Slab, yeah, 9,500 for the slab, 6,000 for the beam. We'll do for the ground floor what we had done. Here we had not done it previously. We'll check it, not an issue. Yeah, same thing, almost same thing. See, roof beam, how much it is coming? Some 100 kg, it's falling short. Yeah, 5,500. And for the slab, it is slab, how much it is? Since I'm multiplying by 100, okay, in terms of kg, 9830, slab is 9830, it is 9560, no issues. Almost only it's falling short of 300 kg, and this is 6194 beam, and this is a 5, almost 1000 kg, it's falling short of because of the uh, because what will happen, diameter will change. No, this is steel quantity. Sometimes the diameter will change, sometimes the stirrup spacing will increase, so less number of stirrup will come, because but almost they are 90% very close to each other, so you don't have to change any productivity and all. Keep the same duration, nothing will happen. Okay, for 1000 kg and all, you don't have to change the duration, nothing will happen. Even though we are overestimating, we are on the safer side. Good. So again, I'll copy quickly, we'll do that. Where did we reach? Where did we reach? Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, fine. Now we'll start with the second floor. No, yeah, second floor. Quickly again, second floor. Starter concrete, when you will start. Concreting of the slab will happen on 45. That means on 25th June. So activity number is 45. 45 FS plus 2 will do. Okay, good. After that, reinforcement will be 49 FS. 37, no? Yeah, 49 FS minus 4 will do. Yeah. Oh, wait, what happened? Okay. Starter concrete 49, 15. 28, and why this is like this? I think one mistake we have done. No, there is one mistake. Concreting of the slab. From there, I took, okay, duration. Okay, okay. Why, see, now what is the mistake? No, this is 28 June. This is also 28 June, because the duration I didn't change. So first change the duration. Otherwise, you'll get confused. Okay. How shall I change the duration? Yeah, I should check. I should take from here. No, this way I have to take it. Say Control C, and you paste it here. Second floor, paste it here. Okay, this you change it. By default, it will take. Again you paste it in the next this thing also. Here also, starter concrete, you paste it. Up to fourth floor, you paste the same durations. Okay. Yeah, paste the same durations. Fine. Now we'll start. Now it's fine. 28, this is 29. After that, what will happen? So minus 4. Next is minus 38. No, that means 50 FS minus 13. Okay. Second July it will start. Okay, minus 13 I took from here. Next it is 51 FS minus 15 days. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what I'm doing. I'm copying the same dates from here, lead and lag. Only thing, activity number I'm changing. So concrete is related to former. So 51 I have taken, FS minus 15. Same thing like we did. 39 was for this. Yeah, done. This is also done. Next, come to formwork again. Formwork is 40 FS. 40 is relating to concreting. So concreting is 52. So 52 FS minus how much? 8 days we are taking. 8 days. Again, this will come red in color. You change it to auto schedule. Okay, fine. After that, next is reinforcement. Reinforcement is 54 FS. Yeah, 54 FS minus 6 days we are taking. Good. After that, next is 55 FS minus 2 days we are taking. Okay. Then concreting of the slab will be finished to start. So it will be 56 here directly. So 7th August will finish, 8th August will start the concreting, one day will finish, and de-shuttering will be 57. 57 FS exactly, plus 14 days will put. Simple concept. Good. Now come to the third floor. Again, same thing. We have copied the durations already. Just you have to give the activity. Okay. So again, starter concrete, when it will happen? Starter concrete after the concreting of the slab. Slab concreting is 57. So 57 FS plus 2 days will take. Same thing we had taken. Okay. That means concreting of the slab will finish on 8th August, 9th, 10th. Okay. 11th is holiday, I feel. Yeah, Sunday. So 12 will start. No problem. Then reinforcement, what you will do? Reinforcement will be again 61, right? 61 FS minus how much will do? Minus 4 will do. 13th August will start, correct. One day lead you are taking. Okay. After that, formwork, what you will do? Formwork is 62 FS minus, tell me. So it will be minus 13 exactly. Minus 13. So 16 August will start, correct? No? 3 days gap from there. Where is your formwork? Yeah, 29, 3 days gap, correct. Last activity is concrete for column. So it is 63 FS minus how much will take? 15 days. It take 15 days. 2nd September it will start. Okay, both will start together and will end together. Good, all right. Now come to the formwork part. Formwork again, what will happen? So formwork is F52 FS. FS means concreting. Concreting is 64. 64 FS minus how many days it is? 8 days, no? Yeah, 8 days. Correct, right? Again, it will be red in color. Make it auto schedule. Okay, it's right. 24 August. Correct. So minus 8 we had given. So 52 it was. Concreting for column. 64. Fine. Concreting for column. See, sometime in by mistake, in a hurry, instead of writing 64, you may connect that with the summary task. You may write 65. Suppose if I write 65, it will give a warning. So you should understand why that warning is coming. If I give 65, it will show like this. Project cannot link a summary task because this is 65. The 65 is this activity, this one, which is your summary task. So that is why it is giving a warning. So sometimes be careful. Okay, good. Next is reinforcement. Reinforcement is 66. No, 66 FS minus 6 days. Okay, good. 4th September will start this. After that, laying of concealed wire is at, one day before that. So it is 67 FS minus 2 I'll do. So 20 minus 2 is correct. 21 September it will start. Say one thing we did. Is it correct? Okay, I think 22 September is holiday. It's Sunday, so it's fine. Correct. Next is concreting of the slab is finished to start activity. It is 68. 24th September, 25th September will start. And de-shuttering will be how much? De-shuttering will be 69 FS. 69 FS plus 14 days. Understood? Finish. So 14th October, de-shuttering is correct, no? What I did? 69. Concreting of the slab. From there 14 days it will take. Okay, 14 October, 5 days it will take. Correct. So de-shuttering is also correct. Finish. Okay, now last floor. That is your 4th floor. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Nothing changed. Everything is same. Quantity, everything will remain same. Don't worry. You put that this thing. Just connect that with the concreting. It is 69. It's 69 FS plus 2 days will give. Okay, good. 28 September you'll start it. And after that, what is that? Reinforcement. Reinforcement is 73 FS minus 4 you will give. So 30 September. So 29 is holiday, no? Yeah, 29 is Sunday. Good. After that, formwork. Formwork is 74 FS minus how many days it is? 13 days lag. 13 days lead it is. Okay, 3rd October. Concreting is after the formwork. So it is 75 FS minus 15. Okay, good. Yeah, minus 15. Okay, good. So it is both of them will finish together. Let's last finally this part. So here it is how much? Concreting of column is 76. So 76 FS minus 8 I'll take. Okay, good. Again, it's red in color. By default, you can make it to auto schedule. Good. Now reinforcement. So again, reinforcement is 78 FS minus 6 days. Okay. You know all the relation from here. From here, you look and you type it here. Simple. Laying of concealed wire is 79 FS minus 2, I think. Yeah, minus 2. And concreting of the slab is finished to start. So it is 80 now. 11 number, 12 number you will finish. And de-shuttering will be 81 FS plus 14. Exactly. That's it. Finish. Okay. The floor wise, everything is repetitive task. It's the same thing because quantity remains the same. Now you may ask me one question, sir. What if the quantity will change? Usually, if it is a high-rise building, when you're going in a floor-wise, no, quantity 90% of the time the quantity will be same, because as when a structural engineer designs it, he doesn't design like ground floor you give 300 by 300, first floor you'll give 300 by 500 column, second floor you give by 300 by 400 column. We don't do like that. Throughout the structure, usually we give the same concrete dimensions. Reinforcement will try to change a little bit, so that is why the variation is coming. Concrete quantity will remain the same. Concrete will not try to decrease the size floor wise. Reinforcement quantity will try to play. So that is why in the BOQ you can see, this quantity was, there is a variation 1000 kg in the ground. In the second floor it was 6200 kg. In the ground floor there was 5500 kg. So roughly 700 kg difference is because of the steel requirement, because of the load coming. Based on that the steel will be put up. So based on that a little bit of variation will come. You don't have to worry. Okay, what you do is you take the higher amount only. One thing you need to understand. That is, see, ground floor it was lower quantity 5500, but in but in second floor it was 6500. That means actually here the duration will increase. But not an issue. We'll go with the same duration, 1 or 2 days, nothing. Anyhow, we have taken 2 days extra for all the activity. It will take care of that. If you're so, if you feel like, no, sir, this is 1000 kg extra, no. If you want, you can increase the duration here. But usually, we'll not do like that. Usually, what we'll do is we'll see the higher quantity. For that, we'll do the productivity. And then right from ground floor, first, we'll put the same duration. That is what usually we do. But not an issue. There is no too much difference. 1000 kg is not a big issue. Okay, even here also, slab quantity, there is nothing much difference. It was 9500 in the second floor. And ground floor, it was almost same. See how much it is. Ground floor, it is little on higher side. See 9800. And this was 9500. So in second floor, it is falling short by 300 kg. So that will get adjusted. So don't go in that much detail. Okay, no need to worry again. That's it. Yeah. Now come to the last portion. What is that? Terrace portion. Right? Terrace portion. So terrace portion. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Up to here we did know. Yeah. Last is your terrace portion. This is your, we call it as lift machine room, or you can call it as a terrace portion, or a staircase. We call it as a MSP level. So here, usually what happens is I'll give explanation for that. This is your third floor. Okay. Now last is your fourth floor. After that, in the terrace portion, what will happen? Only this much area will go to the top. Only this much area will go to the top. Usually, in only this much area. Out of the entire slab layout, only this much area will go to the terrace portion. That is your MSP level, because see, so far lift portion was open. So you need to give a cover to the lift. You need to give a slab to the lift. Here the staircase was also open. So at the top, you need to give a this thing. What is that? You need to give a slab. So that is why that level is called as MSP level. And usually if it is a high-rise building, and what we do, last floor, we keep another 1, 2, 3 rooms extra. This can use it for the store room, and this can use for the lift machine room. Some other 2, 3 store room in that, or let us say watchman room, something like that you can do. But not that entire layout we are going to use. Only this much columns will come. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16 columns will go to the MSP level, which is called as your lift machine room. 16 columns are there. Hardly how many beams may come? Another 20 beams may come. And slab portion is also very small. Only this much is a small slab portion what you have. Okay, it's a small portion. So since the column number are less, beam number are less, slab area is less, obviously the duration that is required also will come down. So that is why what I told is don't copy the same duration. Here we'll decrease the duration. Now I can start a concrete simple. Within 3 days we'll finish it. Okay, 3 days. Why? Because hardly there are 20 columns. Normally in one day, if you put 5 starter frame also, in 3 days, or let us say in 4 days, you can finish it off. If you put 6 starter frame in a single day, for 20 columns, 6 for the 24, within 4 days you can finish. Previously, how many days we were taking? Okay, we were taking 5 days. No, then we can give 3 days here, not an issue. For 50 column, if you're taking 5 days, for hardly 20 column, I think within 1 or 2 days only you should finish it. Simple logic you have to apply. So what I'll do is I'll say 2 days only I'll take, not an issue. Reinforcement, what you will do? Reinforcement we used to take 15 days for such a huge slab. For this much big slab, we used to take 15 days. Now for small portion, how much they will take? We'll reduce it. Instead of 15 days, we'll take 7 days. Normal logic will apply. 7 days I'll put here. Even you can reduce, but still we'll say 7 days is required. Reinforcement. Now shuttering, what will happen? Shuttering also I'll put 7 days only. Okay, because here we were going 15. Here also I'll put 7 days. Concreting, of course, it's not even 1 day. Within half day you can finish, because it's a small portion what you have. Okay, finish. Yeah, this is for the column, no? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, 5 we have taken 2, 15 is 7, 7. And concreting for the column. Okay, concreting for the column will do 7 days only, not an issue. Actually, 7 days is not required. We'll decrease the duration here. I'll tell you how it has to be done. But right now I'll write 7 because okay, anyhow, you write 7 only. Later I'll come back to this. 7, 7. Everything is 7 or what? 15, 15, 15. Okay, half of that 7 I have taken. Okay, next come back to this. This we were taking 15 days. You cut down it to 7 days. Okay. Reinforcement, we were taking 15 days here for that big slab. Here we'll take only 7 days. Concreting is anyhow 1 day activity. Deshuttering, see, again, deshuttering we used to take 5 days for that entire big area of the slab. This is a small portion. So you can take 2 days. Within 2 days, you can do the deshuttering. Simple logic. Okay. Now we'll start with this connection. So starter concrete when you'll do after the concreting of the slab. So your concreting of the slab will happen on 12th November, which is 81. So what I'll do is 85, no? So this is 81, no? Yeah, 81 FS minus how many we used to take? Sorry, plus we used to take, no? Say plus 2 days. Same thing will follow. Plus 2 days. That is fine. After that reinforcement, what we used to do? Reinforcement after the starter concrete, that is 85 FS minus 3 days before that will start. 3 days before is enough for us. 14th November, I'll start the reinforcement, or even you can start it. No, this will not work out. See, now this will say minus 2 I'll take. Then it will be fine. Yeah, okay, both will start together because it's a small area, no? We can start both together, not an issue. So this will finish on 16th November and your reinforcement will finish by 22 November. Makes sense, no? Yeah. Now come to the form work. Again, form work also same thing. 22 November, you're finishing a reinforcement for the column. Form work will do one thing. It will be 86 FS minus, let us say, 3 days before we'll start. Okay, 3 days before we'll start. 7 days is required. 7 days is also not required because you have shuttering board ready. If you're putting 4 columns, 4 shuttering day in single day, you have 20 columns. So within 5 days, you should finish. That reinforcement also will decrease the date. Okay, unnecessary by increasing the days. 5 days we can finish. Simple logic, no? For in 1 day, if you can do 4 shuttering, we have 20 columns in that LMR portion, small portion. So 20 divided by 4 is the 5 days is required. So both I'm taking 5 days. Okay. Yeah. So reinforcement. Now concreting, you can do one thing. Concreting, you do one thing. No, concreting also we cannot do simultaneously because we'll not have too much of shuttering board. So concrete will do parallel activity. Not an issue. We'll take 5 days. Same thing we'll do. Okay. We'll connect with this only. What is that? 87 FS minus, I want 18 November. So minus 3 you do. Okay. Minus 3 means minus 5 you do. Okay, fine. That is fine. Same date we used to give. Homework and this used to finish on same day. Same thing we are following here. Good. Now come back here. Now form work you took 7 days. So we'll start after the concreting of the column. So 88 FS minus how much we'll do? Minus 18 November, your concreting will happen, no? 22 November. Okay, there is no much days, no? We'll say minus 2 days. That is sufficient. 18 November, you'll do the concreting. Up to 22 November, your concreting will happen. 1 day before that, we'll start our form work for the beam, the slab centering. Small portion we have. Within 7 days, I can finish it off. Okay. Yeah. Now reinforcement work again, we'll do 1 day before only we'll start. So 90 FS minus 2 days. If you want, I'll take 2 days. No, we can take even 3 days also. This is fine. So 28th November, you'll finish all your shuttering work and all slab centering. 2 days before that, that is 26th November, I'm starting. Even you can put it even below, even before that. But still in 5 days, most of the work will be done. 26th November will start. In 7 days, we'll finish it off. Next is concreting for the slab. Okay, concreting for the slab, and now it's a single day activity. Finish to start. I'll say 91. 4th December will start. 4th December will finish it off. Now come to the deshuttering portion. So yeah, one more thing. See, here we were giving a laying of concealed electrical conduit. But in the lift machine room, I'm not giving the laying of electrical conduit because slab itself is small. Within a half day or within 1.5 day, within 1 day, electrical people can come and do the work. For such a big slab, they were taking how many days? They were taking 3 days. But since it's a small slab, we are not given that, we are not made an activity of laying of concealed electrical conducting. So in the reinforcement work only that will be done. Okay, you're getting my point. 7 days I have given. No, In that, I'll call them one day before, they can come and do it. So that is why that activity I did not give. If you want, you can give, but it doesn't make sense. See, when you're writing activity, it should make a sense. It should give an idea actually what you want to do. Since it's a small area, since it's a small area, why unnecessary you want to write activity and all. So anyhow, we know one day before, if I call those people, they can come and do, because it's a small slab. So I didn't give that. Anyhow, in the reinforcement only, that activity will be done. Okay, simple concept. So concreting of the slab is 91. That is correct. 4 December you will start. Yeah, de-shuttering again, same concept. So it will be 92 FS plus after 14 days only you have to remove it. Again, yeah, 14 days will keep. Again, even though it's a small, code book says that IS 456 says that minimum 14 days you have to keep. Then it is 21 days. Since suppose, one more thing. Suppose if here I had given 21 days, since it was a big slab, let us say if I had given 21 days, for this small slab, I could have given 14 days. But anyhow, here also I had given 14 days. No, so here also I'll give 14 days. You cannot remove the props and all before 14 days. At least 2 weeks you have to keep there. Okay, so that is why. But here, if I had given 21 days for such a big slab, here I could have made it 14. That was the logic, since it's a small slab. But anyhow, I had made 14 here, so I'll keep 14 here. Okay, de-shuttering, I'll take only 2 days is enough to take out the shuttering. That's it. 23 December, I'll finish all this work. So almost up to the finishing of all this thing, superstructure part, I took almost a year. I started on 1st Jan. How many days I have taken? 293 roughly. 1st January I started. Now I'm finishing it on 24 December, all this activity. 23 December I'm finishing. Another 6 months I have. In another 6 months, I should finish all these things now. We'll see how our planning will go. Anyhow, we have taken too much, this thing. What is that? Lag and all, we have taken too much. I mean, we are given so much freedom by giving 15 days, and it's not actually required. But anyhow, we have planned it. We'll see how it goes, where it goes by the time we finish all the planning. Okay, so practice up to here. In the next lecture, we'll start with the finishing work, like masonry work, and we have lintel work. Then we have masonry above lintel, ceiling plastering, everything we have. No, those things we'll do it in the next lecture. You have to practice up to here. So whenever you give the connections, have at least some logic. Okay, unnecessary here. I have given you a logic and told you like 2 days, 5 days. You also have to apply your concepts. Okay, so based on that, you can put the durations, but you should get an idea what you're doing. Okay, and you should check the finish date also. 16 November, 20 November, 22, 22. Okay, suppose instead of 22 November here, let us say if this date was 21 November, shuttering anyhow is finishing on 22 November. How can you finish concreting of the column by 21st November? That much logic and all you should have. So always when you give the relationship, try to see your finish date. So it should go in an increasing order. 28, okay, 3rd December, okay, 4th December, then this is 23 December. This is fine. So it should make a sense when you're giving a relationship. Good. Anyhow, next last onwards, I'll start with the finishing activity. So we'll try to understand this for the one complete floor. We'll take out the productivity. We'll try to see the quantity and all, so you get an idea. So practice up to here, and we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you. And before that, one assignment, not assignment. What you can do is just imagine, just tell me when you're going to start your masonry work up to lintel, because 23 December you're finishing your de-shuttering work of your lift machine room. Now, masonry work, how we are going to give the activity, whether you are going to give connectivity like, let us say, concreting of the slab will happen 4th December, right? So 92 FS minus something if you're going to do, think how we are going to do, whether you want to give the connectivity of 92. Okay, 4th December I'm finishing, 15 days before that I'll start my masonry work up to lintel. Okay, so try to think on this particular activity, when will be a start date for this, and how many days is required. So just think on that. Anyhow, in the next lecture, I'll explain you how it has to be done. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.